Hello, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Penn Tennis Ball and 3 reasons why you should get this. Tennis balls could be used for more than just playing tennis. They've kind of evolved into things that the designers of it probably never thought would happen. Point number 2, dogs love to chase them. Mine will chase them, just doesn't always bring it back, but hey, it's whatever makes him happy. And number 3, if you have somebody who has to use a walker to get around and the feet have kind of worn down to where the metal's exposed, it's not always easy to find those replacement feet for some. So tennis balls are a way to do it. Now the tennis balls will wear out. They're probably going to get better results on like a smooth floor, where it's a wood laminate or a tile floor. On carpet, they're going to be going against that carpet enough. It probably will wear them out a little bit sooner, but it's at least an option, and it all depends on the carpet. So depending on what your situation is, this is going to be something that you may very well get a lot of use out of, and especially if you've got a 4-legged buddy around, gives you both some time together and wear out your friend and everybody's happy.